In this video, we are going to describe the basics of artificial intelligence. Definition and brief history. Definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines that can mimic human cognitive functions. These machines are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, decision-making, speech recognition, and language translation. At its core, AI aims to enable computers to learn from data, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks autonomously, without explicit programming. This ability to learn and improve over time distinguishes AI systems from traditional computer programs. Brief history of artificial intelligence. 1950s to 1960s. The birth of AI. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, where pioneers like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and others laid the groundwork for AI research. During this period, early AI programs were developed to solve mathematical problems and play games like chess and checkers. 1970s to 1980s. AI winter and expert systems. Despite initial optimism, progress in AI faced setbacks in the 1970s and 1980s, leading to what became known as the AI winter. However, this period also saw advancements in expert systems, rule-based programs designed to mimic human expertise in specific domains. 1990s present. Resurgence and deep learning. The late 1990s witnessed a resurgence of interest in AI, fueled by advancements in computing power and algorithms. This resurgence paved the way for breakthroughs in machine learning, particularly in the field of deep learning. Deep learning, characterized by neural networks with multiple layers, has revolutionized AI applications in areas such as computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. Today, AI technologies are ubiquitous, powering virtual assistants, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis tools, and much more. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on society, economy, and ethics becomes increasingly profound, shaping the future of humanity in ways both exhilarating and challenging. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, because we will delve deeper into the various components, applications, and implications of artificial intelligence, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of this fascinating field.